Ladies and gents, welcome back. A little late night. It's actually not late. It's just winter time. It gets dark at 5. But yeah, we're in here gonna tackle this front fender. Well, I'm gonna pull the fender off the mount and start working on how to get the mount connected to the triple tree. And if you notice, it's obviously not flat at all. So I don't know if we're gonna heat this up and see if we can bend it a little bit. That wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. I also need to get some rubber so I can make little gaskets to go under here. That doesn't quite fit well, but we'll make it work. Uno's helping out, trying to stay warm. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Alright, so I put on my thinking cap, and because this is the wrong front end for the bike, mounting this is, obviously going to be a little bit difficult. We did fill all this in with JB Weld, which is fine and dandy, but I'm thinking about filling this in with regular weld, smoothing it out, drilling and tapping it, and then that way we can put a bolt, boom, bolt it right in there, just like that, and then also secure the front, which isn't as big of a deal. Also, I marked out on here with a marker kind of where the chingadera sits, because we need to put in these steering stops. Yeah, kind of complicated. But first things first, this lift is filthy, so I'm gonna clean everything up because I kind of want to pull the bike off the lift and twist the bars back and forth and see how far it needs to turn, because that'll let us know where we need to put the steering stops. I would hate to drill everything out and mount it up if it's too far and hits the tank. That'd be a bummer. All right, so we're gonna do some little trickery here, and I threw the tank on it, got everything kind of stripped down, and we're gonna be super careful. Actually, let's use this board back here. I'm gonna take her back. All right, let's get on top of it. Like I said, we're being very, very careful. Oop. What are we hitting there? Oh, nothing. I've never felt the suspension work on this before, but wanted to do a little testing on how far over we can let this go. Obviously, we don't want to go crazy with it, but got a marker here. Let's see. That does seem to be about in the middle right there. Can't look at the wheel because the wheel is missing its spacer. That's probably about good right there. Let's put this bad boy back in the securedness of the lift before we scratch anything. That's my biggest fear. Just don't want to scratch anything. All right, so I got everything marked out, and I think that's gonna work. But it's gonna be about it for tonight. Short video today, and tomorrow I'm gonna pull that thing apart some more get out the drill press, and hopefully, if we take our time, we can put that together without damaging any of the polishing, because I don't want to redo that. It looks so good. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next one.